We use the function for frothing the milk. We take around 100 ml of cold milk, 41 to 45 Fahrenheit is the standard. A pincher, also this size is a standard. If too big is not okay because the pipe don't arrive to touch the milk. So we fill we put in position steam pipe, put the pincher inside, then rotate the knob in the steam function. When the quantity of the foam is enough for our use, we rotate in the middle. The machine automatically releases the overpressure. After that, with a map, we clean the pipe outside, then remove, we clean inside, then assembly again the external pipe, and we open again the steam to release some steam and clean the inner part. The steam clean the inner part. 6 seconds, then